English 7. Global Success, Unit 3, Community Service. Getting started.
Sounds like great work. 1. Listen and read.
Hi, Tom. Are you back in Hanoi?
Yes, I came back yesterday. Can we meet up this Sunday morning? I bought you a board game.
Sure, I can't wait. But our Green School Club will have some community activities on that morning.
What activities does your club do?
Well, we pick up litter around our school and plant vegetables in our school garden.
School gardening? That's fantastic.
Yes, we donate the vegetables to a nursing home. Does your school have any activities like these?
Yes, we donate books to homeless children. We also have English classes. Last summer, we taught English to 30 kids in the area.
Sounds like great work.
Thanks.
So, let's meet in the afternoon then.
Learn new words.
Board game. Board game. Board game. Collect. 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 Community. 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 Community service. Community service. Decorate. 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 Develop. 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 Donate. 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 Elderly. 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 Enjoyable. 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 Environmental. 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 Flooded. 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 Grow. 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 History. 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 Homeless. 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 Literature. 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 Litter. 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 Local. 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 Mountainous. 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 Neighborhood. 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 Nursing. 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 Nursing home. Nursing home. Nursing home. Orphanage. 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 Pick up. Pick up. Pick up. Plant. 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 Postcard. 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 Proud. 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 Provide. 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 Raise money. Raise money. Raise money. Raise money. Raise money. Recent. 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 Rubbish. 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 Rural area. Rural area. Rural area. Skill. Skill. Solution. 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 Teenager. 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 tutor, tutor, tutor. Volunteer, volunteer, volunteer. Board game, collect. Community, community, community service, decorate. Develop, donate. Elderly, enjoyable, environmental, flooded. Grow, history, homeless. Literature, litter. Local, mountainous. Neighborhood, nursing, nursing home. Orphanage, pick up. Plant, postcard. Proud, provide. Raise money, raise money. Recent, rubbish. Rural area, skill. Solution, teenager. Tutor, volunteer.